I mean, like from the opening credits onwards, right?
Credits is directed by Jaspal Bhatti.
Flop show. Camera fell down.
She has been on CID, by the way.
Stop it, everyone. Hold your life together.
तो उनका स्टैंडर्ड इतना लो है कास्टिंग का या प्रोडक्शन वाले घर वाले लेके आओ
मम्मी मेरा मजाक उड़ा रहे हैं.
He-Man वाले, He-Man.
हाँ, He-Man and the powers of the universe.
I think one show which we should definitely talk about, since there are four stand-up comedians here, is the Great Indian Laughter Challenge.
Absolutely.
That changed, that inspired
That changed
so many a
हाँ.
generation of us that you can get up on stage and just do plain stand-up comedy.
Is this where the iconic मैं समय हूँ came from?
That was Mahabharat. I'm very sorry. Okay, it's a very bad.
नहीं सबसे funny part ये होगा सूर्य शो का.
This will be the promo of the show.
इसकी रीलें बनेंगी.
चार यार मिलेंगे तो क्या करेंगे? तो बैठेंगे तो बातें करेंगे, कुछ किस्से सुनाएंगे एक दूसरे को और पुरानी यादें ताज़ा करेंगे. तो बस यही हो रहा है इस शो के अंदर भी. और हर हफ्ते एक नया एपिसोड आएगा, कुछ नए यार दोस्त आएंगे हमारे. सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर लेना चैनल, बेल आइकन भी दबा देना ताकि अगले हफ्ते अपने आप पता चल जाए कि कब एपिसोड आ रहा है. और लाइक और कमेंट तो आप कर ही दोगे. और बात सुनो, अपने चार यार को शेयर करो.
Bitching about Bhabhi has to stop. Okay. So, hello everybody. चार यार का एक और एपिसोड हम रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं और आज चार यार में मेरे साथ हैं सुमेध शिंदे, अदिति मित्तल, अतुल खत्री. I have known everybody for the last 7-8 years or more, you know. या 10 साल से ऊपर हो गए हैं. अदिति
14 साल तो हो गए हैं, by the way. हमें करते ये 14 साल हो गए हैं. We've known each other before I think maybe in the first 2 years that we started.
हाँ, first 2 years. अदिति के साथ क्या है कि अदिति के साथ
I'm already regretting this
it comes
story.
on my timeline sometimes that YouTube 2 songs I did with Aditi.
2 songs मतलब?
हाँ,
What
there are 2 songs that she has sung and I have like kind of co-written with her.
Yeah.
And they are there online. Please don't watch. I have done a rap in that song.
And so well. In both songs, you've done a rap, by the way. In one, he is Yo Yo Khoti Cheez, because they are Punjabi songs. Okay, one was called Sat Rupe Di Cha, where Amit sir is a rapper called Yo Yo Khoti Cheez, and then the second one was called Facebook Pe Mummy, where Amit sir was the Pandit.
I was the Pandit. So 2 गाने मैंने अदिति के साथ शूट किए हुए हैं. And सर आपने भी एक गाना शूट किया.
मैं भी शूट किया अदिति के साथ. I was playing your father.
Yeah, in
again it was some
Sat Rupe Di Cha only, dude. Sat Rupe Di Cha.
अच्छा 60 रुपए दी चाह. Okay, हाँ. So please don't watch. Especially 60 रुपए दी चाह is not worth. मेरे वाला part skip कर देना.
You know what? Honestly, I hope they link it somewhere here.
So that's I think the time we like really started working together. And
उसके पहले you were doing comedy before that, like?
Yeah. So I'd known Amit sir actually before that also, and I remember being like, I think this was like I'd gone to Delhi and there was an IHC show, and I was told that this Amit Tandon is damn funny. So then I'm like garbage. So then I go to IHC, I buy a ticket and everything.
IHC is India Habitat Center, by the way.
And then I go and I've taken my cousin sister along. And then my cousin's sister walks out being like, oh my God, he's amazing. And it really, I resent it when my family members prefer other comedians to me. I resent it very deeply.
Another common thing is we 3 are on Netflix. So.
Yeah.
चलो.
It's time, Sumedh. It's time.
चलो भाई ठीक है.
I feel like Sumedh has been in all his avatars on Netflix. You know what I'm saying?
I'm glad that I'm sitting with the comedians of the world.
Comedians of the world.
Comedians of the world. मैं वही हूँ, like I'm the odd man out.
On comedians of
Just
the
to
world.
give context, there were 47 comedians from 13 countries, and 3 of them are sitting here.
Yeah. So इंडिया से अभी तीनों थे. आपको पता है ना टाइम स्क्वायर पे हमारा नाम भी लगा था.
हाँ, लगा था टाइम स्क्वायर
पे. हम तो टाइम स्क्वायर होके आए हैं.
क्या बात है.
फोटो नहीं आई. नाम आ गया था हमारा.
नाम आ गया था हमारा.
So That was the story how we've known each other. काफी टाइम से अब हमने काम इकट्ठे नहीं करा. I think वो time that was the last time we shared the stage. Comedians of the World. 2018 or 2018?
Yeah, 2017 October is when we shot that.
No, 2018.
2018, 2018.
It came out on 1st Jan 2019.
Oh, that's right. Oh, that's right. उसके बाद चांस ही नहीं मिला. I don't think there's been any.
अब वो लाइनअप वाला एक तो खत्म हो गया ना. That entire format has gone
अब कौन सा OTT देगा? उठा के
सर को ऐसे बोलेगा क्योंकि सेकंड को मेरा चेक आ गया था.
It's like immediately मैंने lineups को ना बोल दिया.
अरे मुझे याद है क्योंकि मैं अपने टीम को बता रहा था कि नेटफ्लिक्स को बोलो प्रमोट करने को. बोलते नहीं सर वो तो 15 दिसंबर के बाद वो क्रिसमस चालू हो जाती है, उनकी ऑफिस सब शट है.
Yeah.
The painful thing was it was a great show but not promoted properly.
At all, yeah.
Finding it was
Yeah.
very tough. Like in India they should have promoted like that these three are the Indian comedians.
Yeah.
उसका फॉर्मेट क्या है कि कॉमेडियन ऑफ द वर्ल्ड शो में जाओ, उसमें ड्रॉप डाउन में जाओ, इंडिया
choose
ढूंढो,
करो.
इंडिया में फिर देन यू
Option आएंगे.
अतुल खत्री, आदित्य मित्तल एंड अमित टंडन.
अच्छा.
So a lot of people have like I don't think a lot of people watch.
You know,
watched it,
even
no.
while tagging it, like when, you know, I put it on my website and all ki Aditya Mittal specials, ye wo and all, even while tagging it, the link goes to India, not to my special, your special.
yeah.
It goes to India ka page
Correct.
of comedians of the world. So
One thing that I learned while shooting Comedians of the World was कि Netflix के पास पैसे बहुत हैं.
yes.
पैसे
yes,
बहुत है उनके
yes.
पास. भाई साहब बहुत खर्चा किया
Yeah,
था
yeah, yeah.
एंड आई हर्ड कि एक सेट बनाया, फिर वो पसंद नहीं आया, फिर दूसरा लगाया, समथिंग ऑफ दैट सॉर्ट. एंड आई एम लाइक अरे वाह.
Dude, Netflix के पास ऐसे I've heard so much कि they've tried to make Bahubali 2, then they were making a Bahubali video game, and then they just scrapped the things because they were like we don't like it.
नहीं मजा नहीं आ रहा.
मजा नहीं आ रहा, dude.
Television has to learn something from Netflix.
Having standards, you're saying.
Coming to television, Sumedh Shinde.
Yeah.
You know, Sumedh, I remember, I still remember the first time I saw him and I'm like, oh my God. Indian Idol.
Yes.
Javed Akhtar was there. Javed Akhtar sir was there, and he did a Hrithik Roshan, you know, impression, which I don't use the word mimicry very often because I don't know. Matlab, mimicry has been like a lot of times we've been called mimicry artists also.
Yeah.
ठीक है, but that Hrithik Roshan impression, and I'm like, how can somebody do Hrithik Roshan? That was the impression that.
Yes.
Like because you know we were discussing before this also कि earlier there was a lot of body involved. You know earlier
Yeah.
actors.
Yeah.
You know कि वो राजकुमार है तो जानी and you know,
हाँ,
with
और वो
this with
कपड़े
राजेश
पहनेंगे
खन्ना
similarly
and
and all this stuff.
doing Hrithik Roshan, you know, is very different. And I'm like, wow, you know, this guy is amazing.
And
Sumedh-
जावेद अख्तर साहब is such a strong critic.
Yeah.
And उन्होंने आपको जो इतने positive
Yeah,
remarks
yeah,
दिए थे.
he was very
Self-
nice.
Flawed, dude. I've seen
Yeah,
that.
he saw that and he was on the spot when I was doing it. Actually, everybody thought कि एक इंडियन आइडल का ये कुछ गे गुरु ने जानबूझ के मतलब कुछ किया है उन्होंने से. But it was not like that. I went for singing only. तो मैंने गाना गाया and then I was like कि मैंने क्योंकि मैंने इतने rejections देख लिए थे उसके पहले. क्योंकि मैंने I had been to Indian Idol 2, फिर फेम गुरुकुल किया मैंने, चैनल भी सुपर सिंगर सब किया. तो जब मुझे पता चला कि जो स्टार्टिंग के अगर जो फिल्टर करने वाले लोग होते हैं, अगर वो आपको बोलेंगे आपका परफॉर्मेंस देख के बोलेंगे कि थैंक यू, तो समझ गए आप रिजेक्ट हो गए. तो जब मुझे यहाँ पे इसके टाइम पे बोला था थैंक यू, तो मैं अच्छा रिजेक्ट हो गया एक बार भी. तो मतलब देन आई टोल्ड दिस गाय कि आई कैन डू मिमिक्री. तो अच्छा करो, तो मैंने फिर सबकी मिमिक्री की, तो बहुत खुश हुए. देन आफ्टर 1 week आई गॉट दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी टू परफॉर्म इन फ्रंट ऑफ दिस जजेस एंड व्हेन आई डिड दैट जावेद साहब वाज सो इम्प्रेस्ड कि उन्होंने उसी वक्त मेरा नंबर लिया. लाइक कि आपका नंबर क्या है. तो ही टुक माय नंबर एंड ही कॉल्ड मी ऑन द सेम डे. मैं घर जा रहा था, ही कॉल्ड मी एंड ही सेड कि मैं अगर आपको घर पे बुलाओ, इनवाइट करूँ फॉर परफॉर्मेंस, तो आप कितना चार्ज करोगे. मैंने यार चार्ज मतलब आप बुला रहे हो जावेद. हाँ, एंड उसके बाद
Guys,
फिर
charge करना चाहिए. Please.
नहीं, but it was and आज भी मतलब he loves me a lot. Yeah, so it was nice. मजा आ गया था.
मैं जब नंबर लेने लायक हो गया तब मैंने इनका नंबर लिया. So how we met was I was like loved what I saw, and at that time I was just a fan because I don't think I'd even started comedy properly. This is what 2011, 2010, 11.
Which the Indian Idol thing? 2008.
2008. So I was not even in comedy at that time, but I remembered.
Oh.
And I remembered so much that in 2015 or 16, I was programming Jaspal Bhatti Comedy Festival.
Yeah.
The first one, Chandigarh.
So Chandigarh Jaspal Bhatti Comedy Festival. I was programming it because Savita Bhatti, she's been very kind. And when she was doing the festival, so she said, "Will you come?" I was like, "Arey, it's an honor. Can you help me with some artists?" I was like, "It's again an honor." So then I'm making the list who all we can call. And at that time I was like, "Man, Sumedh Shinde, I remember. उनको बुलाते हैं. उनका वो act बहुत अच्छा है और बहुत
You
unique
saw
है."
him in 2008 and then 2015, you remember.
I remembered because I've never spoken to him, you know, and कभी बात ही नहीं हुई, कुछ भी नहीं हुआ. That's the first time we met. So 7 years I remembered that piece that I had seen, and then gave him a call. Then finally things worked out. He performed at the Jaspal Bhatti Comedy Festival, and after that we stayed in touch. We moved to Mumbai, and here we are.
Dude, I once came back because I would do corporate shows and because I was dying to be cheap for the client, I would take like early morning flights. Okay, like 4 o'clock in the morning, I'm like, ठीक है मैं चली जाऊंगी. तो मैं ऐसा 4 बजे की flight में ऐसा जा रही हूँ 3 बजे, to the airport, and suddenly I see Atul Khatri.
इतना तो चलेगा, इतना चलेगा.
मेरे नाम से चलता है वो.
I see Atul Khatri walk. I'm going into departure. I see Atul Khatri walking out of arrival. What's up? So I'm like, "Hi sir, what's going on?" So I said, what are you doing at the airport at like whatever 4 in the morning? I just came back from a show. So I said, "Oh, that's crazy sir. How did it go?" Standing ovation.
अच्छा.
Standing ovation. I was so miserable that whole flight.
And Atul, what he does is that every time he's flying, ये वो lounge से ना वो एक story डालता है. फिर से उड़ चला, उड़ के बोला है. मैं सुबह उठा हूँ यार, मेरा मूड मत खराब करके, मेरे पास शो नहीं है, तुम्हारे पास शो है. Every time it's like, फिर से उड़ चला, उड़ के बोला है.
Standing
Every
ovation.
time he's taking a flight, it's always that.
Standing ovation. मेरे भी तो होता रहता है,
So now coming to the topic, what we are going to talk about beyond just being, ourselves. We are talking about evolution of television, which is one of my most interesting topics. This, I think, a lot can be said क्योंकि हमने वो black and white से, मतलब मैंने तो black and white से अभी तक का जो देखा है, and I remember how things have changed. One of the big changes I remember when the cable television came, and so you remember certain things. मुझे याद है मैं मामा जी के घर गए थे and उनके घर केबल टेलीविजन मैंने पहली बार देखा. कभी केबल टेलीविजन, and it was such an amazing thing कि रात को 11 बजे के बाद भी टीवी पे कुछ आता है.
Yeah.
रात को 11 बजे भी टीवी के बाद कुछ आता है, टीवी पे कुछ आता है. I had never seen that.
Yeah.
So I remember me and my brother, we were sleeping in the drawing room. वहाँ पे टीवी था, हम म्यूट पे रात को 2 बजे तक कार रेसिंग देख रहे. और and like we were kids and no context, but it's just that there's something on television.
Yeah.
There's something on television at 2 o'clock in the night. Is how I remember, कि कितना मतलब वो जो लैंडमार्क मोमेंट होते हैं ना, तुमको याद आता है कि हाँ ये चेंज हुआ था, फिर ये चेंज हुआ था, फिर ये चेंज हुआ था. Obviously from black and white to colored, and then the cable television, then Zee TV and all that happened, and then अब तो 50,000 चैनल है, OTT है, and still
glued to your phone now.
Glued to your phone. That's been the, I think, journey. You've been with television for a long time now.
Yeah.
What have you seen change in 15 years of being part of TV?
Being part as a मतलब
as a not as a viewer but as a performer. सन 2008 में जब आप पहली बार आए थे.
This is that show, with the, what's her name, that wonderful lady who used to sit.
फूल खिले हैं गुलशन तबस्सुम. तबस्सुम was the lady. अरे
I always been a part of the reality shows.
हाँ.
जितने इंडियन आइडल हो गया, फिर लाफ इंडिया लाफ मैंने किया था, पहचान कौन मैंने किया था. तो मतलब ठीक है यार, लाइक करो जो भी है, बट जो भी फिल्टर आउट करना है, जो भी है क्लीन करना है कॉमेडी. अगर क्लिक तो वो एक है, वो चेंज हो गया है. वो चेंज है, क्लीन मतलब कि आपको क्लीन ही रहना पड़ेगा. क्या क्या ये भी नहीं बोल सकते. इनफैक्ट टू द एक्सटेंट मैं व्हेन आई डब ऑल्सो, डब मैं करता था बच्चों के लिए. तो पोगो चैनल पे आई यूज्ड टू डब दिस कॉल्ड मॉन्स्टर किड, आई वॉज द वॉइस ऑफ द मेन कैरेक्टर. आमिर खान की वॉइस देना था उसको. वहाँ पे आप, क्योंकि बच्चों के लिए तो आप ये भी नहीं बोल सकते कि आप ये साला नहीं बोलना है, ये नहीं बोलना है, अरे ये तो उसमें भी फिल्टर करना पड़ता है. तो अभी तो मतलब मुझे लगता नहीं कि अभी तो इतने सारी चीज़ें हैं. मतलब ऑनलाइन देखो, मतलब आई वुड से कंपेयर टीवी एंड दिस, इट हैज इवॉल्व्ड अ लॉट.
हाँ, but TV has become too clean now. I remember the times when there was everything on TV. Everything.
नेशनल टीवी पे, अपने इंडियन टीवी पे.
Sir, I'll tell you. And I was.
तो कौन सी टीवी देखता था?
चैनल बताना, टाइमिंग बताना.
नहीं. So I remember, and it's like sometimes there used to be English series that would come on television. And some amazing ones. एक तो I Love Lucy आता था.
या
I Love Lucy आता था बहुत पहले.
लूसी लोबॉल उसका नाम.
हाँ. And then जो कबीर बेदी का शो था ना, Sandokan, which made him like an icon in Italy. So Kabir Bedi is a god in Italy.
अच्छा.
Okay.
या
You don't know this?
What is this? Sons of what?
Sandokan.
Sandokan.
Sandokan is like was a series, Italian series, where Kabir Bedi played the lead role. Okay. And even today, if Kabir Bedi is in a hotel in Italy, the hotel is mobbed. It's that iconic a series. I remember that series.
But ये
Then I remember
किस पे आता था ये?
डीडी पे.
किस पे आता था ये?
DD पे आई थी बाद में, बहुत बाद में आई थी. But it's a major series. It like बहुत अलग level.
What does Sandokan mean?
Sandokan is like, you know, he's like a guy with a Greek body and is saving people.
अच्छा.
घोड़े पे जा रहा है.
like an Indian prince or a Persian prince, ऐसा कुछ था.
Prince type था, कुछ ऐसे उस type का story था. For its time, it was fantastic. Okay, you can watch it on YouTube. I think now should be available.
100%,
Sandokan, you got to watch like a shirtless Kabir Bedi, and Kabir Bedi is handsome as.
Yeah. That he is.
But I realized that they don't filter anything. When there was a movie which was actually a tragic movie, it was called Escape from Sobibor. Okay, Escape from Sobibor. Sobibor was one of the, Nazi concentration camps. And I used to watch English content कि ठीक है आ रहा है, तब उतना समझ भी नहीं आता था. And I'm watching, and it's a tragic scene, but it's, the gas chambers. But there were like 100 naked people, and I saw naked people for the first time, and this is on Doordarshan. रात को आता था 11:30 बजे, like, but it's, how is this like happening? So there was.
Did you have the because I imagine that if you didn't know that there was shame associated with the naked body, you would have been like, oh, that's just.
No, I was a kid. I didn't even know how to react, but it was a shock कि अरे नंगे लोग like is because it's
It's really bad.
see 7th 8th standard, I think that's where I was.
I still get shocked, but that's
नहाने के बाद आईने में देख के मेरे को चौंक जाता हूँ.
एक और है.
Then if it's a film festival and they're showing all the movies, they're showing all the movies unedited. रात को 11 बजे के बाद.
अच्छा.
And it had everything. So that's where Doordarshan was. And then DD Metro started. Okay, DD Metro याद है? And DD Metro तो मुझे उसमें तो English shows for the first time prime time में आ रहे हैं. 8 से 10 बजे आता था DD Metro. It was a different channel. So suddenly we had 2 channels on TV. From one channel.
The need for a remote control suddenly emerged.
And we are watching, I still remember 11th or 12th standard. So 91, 92. DD Metro तब नया
Yeah.
उसपे एक शो आता था Dallas.
हाँ Dallas आता था.
Yes.
Dallas करके एक शो आता था.
Burt Reynolds था उसमें नहीं.
Yeah.
Burt Reynolds पता नहीं कौन था.
हाँ, I don't remember the name, but वो चल रहा है and हम खाना खा रहे हैं and then some steamy scene came, like not complete nudity, but it was like pretty steamy for its time. And my father is eating and like, यही गंद देखते हुए खाना खाना.
एक रोटी और लाओ.
तो हमने चेंज करके समाचार के साथ टीवी देखा फिर.
पाचन शक्ति के लिए
फिर बोल्ड एंड ब्यूटीफुल आता था मेरे ख्याल में.
फिर एक आता था जिसमें वो जो गाड़ी होती थी, जो इंटेलिजेंट गाड़ी, नाइट समथिंग.
Knight Rider with
Knight
David
Rider.
Hasselhoff was
Oh,
also
yes.
in
Baywatch.
Baywatch, correct.
Baywatch,
He was the head
Baywatch.
coach in Baywatch, or
Baywatch,
head lifeguard.
Lifeguard. But before that, there used to be a show called that robot show. I don't know if you.
Small Wonder.
नहीं स्मॉल वंडर भी नहीं, एक बहुत जायंट रोबोट. Giant Robot, you might not know.
Giant
this
Robot was on
before.
national
Giant
pay.
Robot was on national TV long time. It was a Japanese show where they would call the Giant Robot, and there's a big, Godzilla-sized robot who would come in, yeah, and you're like, wow, robot. And this is black and white TV, if I remember correctly.
Yeah, so we had artificial intelligence back then.
हाँ.
And
तो अभी चालू हो
in
रहा है.
comparison to the real stupidity that we are suffering from now, imagine that. Yeah.
So Giant Robot was a show, the first, I think, robot show that I watched.
Yeah.
ये Little Wonder तो बहुत बाद में आया.
Correct.
ये तो फिर लिटिल वंडर एंड बोलन ये सब फिर स्टार अब जब आया उसके
Yeah,
बाद
this is much later.
स्टार प्लस आने के बाद जो भी है
ये वो वाले हैं जो उससे पहले जो दूरदर्शन खरीद लेता था.
ही-मैन वाले ही-मैन
हाँ, He-Man and the powers of the universe.
Power of Grayskull, ना? Grayskull होता था.
Power of the universe.
Power of
Grayskull was the
the
castle.
Castle, yeah.
Castle, हाँ.
क्या jawline थी
That was
Skeletor
the
की यार.
Sunday. That was the Sunday. Sunday was special because morning programming. उसमें there's one show where these two sisters were there. Very fun programs. अभी नाम भी भूल गया हूँ यार. दूरदर्शन वो Nasiruddin Shah's wife.
Ratna and Supriya.
Ratna Pathak Shah and her sister
Supriya.
हाँ. So there was a show where the two of them were there. Can you check which show was there? Ratna Pathak Shah and Supriya Pathak, they were there.
Dude, that whole era of Doordarshan programming was sort of spearheaded by these NSD graduates and the people who are now sort of like icons in performance and entertainment and all had all got their start in those spaces. It's a Doordarshan pe.
It was very qualitative stuff. So most of the writers of the earlier shows were PhDs in साहित्य, हिंदी साहित्य में PhD करी हुई है, डॉक्टरेट होते थे ये लोग. तो जो लिखा है वो बहुत सोच के देख कर लिखा है. ये नहीं है ना कि कल सुबह फिर निकालना है एपिसोड तो 4 बार गर्दन घुमा दो.
Yeah. Here's a question. Do you think those shows would have aged well? Like if we sat and saw something today, do you think those shows would have aged well?
I don't think we have the patience to watch a lot of those shows, except for one show. Mahabharat, I still find very fascinating.
Yeah,
I see clips of Mahabharat and it's so well written. It's so well written.
Production
the
value may not be
characters.
so good.
Listen, I
In
was
terms of
so
the
impressed.
characters and-
I used to get mind blown जब वो ऐसे हाथ करके उसके arrows are flying and all. I could not get over it. I was like, how is
I
this
definitely
happening?
remember those times when I used to come at 9 o'clock or 11 o'clock.
सुबह 9 बजे.
सुबह 9 बजे आता था. हाँ.
I'm telling you, at least Mumbai used to shut down.
Yeah.
Like not a traffic
Yeah.
sound. Everybody sitting at home and just watching it.
ये रामायण और महाभारत में ये बहुत हुआ है.
हाँ.
But Mahabharat was so well written and it was so many characters. They had, and each of them was well written. उनके मुझे तो वो जो स्टार्टिंग में सॉन्ग था वो भी कुछ हद तक याद है अभी तक. वो जो
Mahabharat
कथा है.
I don't know the meaning. I only know Mahabharat. Because Sunday morning, this used to goonjo across. I was in boarding school, okay? And so we had one TV in the entire school. And so Wednesday raat ko Chitrahar hota tha, for which everyone was given a break ki Chitrahar jaake dekhenge. And then Sunday subah ko, Chhaya Geet and Mahabharat, and there was one other show which was somebody being very it was a VJ type person who would tell jokes in between songs and
Not
stuff like
Tabassum, na? That full
no,
Gulshan.
it was another one. And it was just I remember TV being an event. It was
I think
always
singularly.
it was a social thing कि TV on हो गया तो मतलब चप्पलें निकालो,
सब कुछ याद
helmet
होता
लगाओ.
था. Now I remember partly वो परित्राणाय साधूनाम विनाशाय
सोचा था background में?
दुष्कृताम.
इससे क्या बोला पता ही नहीं चला. रिपीट कर दो निकाल.
Is this where the iconic मैं समय हूँ came from?
That was Mahabharat.
Wow.
हाँ
वॉइस ओवर था ना that was the
समय हूँ.
Sutrधार.
Yeah.
हरीश भिमानी जी,
Oh wow.
हरीश भिमानी जी था.
he is in voiceover. He would know.
You would know.
So these like that I think Sutradhar concept for the first time in India. नहीं. Sutradhar first time was हम लोग.
हाँ हम लोग yeah.
Where Ashok Kumar would come and
in
he would
before, yeah.
हाँ.
break the fourth wall,
Fourth wall. Oh yeah.
हाँ.
talk in the
कि
camera, look at it and then say what ये क्या हुआ.
बड़की की शादी हो नहीं पा रही है पर मझली को कोई मिल गया है
But you can act also
और
like
ये
Ashok.
जो
एक बार थोड़ा act करके बताओ.
नहीं I can't do Ashok
You can
Kumar.
try, no.
You
Try,
can do
try,
this.
try.
You can.
I don't know अशोक, मुझे पुराने एक्टर्स की वॉइस करने आती नहीं है. Try.
So I remember Johnny Lever sir did this in
एक पे-
जलवा मूवी में करा था उन्होंने of that हम लोग character that Ashok Kumar did and Ashok Kumar sir का वो करा था. I'm very sorry. Okay, it's a very bad.
नहीं, सबसे फनी पार्ट ये होगा सूर्य शो का.
This will be the promo of the show. This will be
इसकी
the-
रीलें बनेंगी.
बड़की की
देखो
शादी
मैंने क्या
हो
बोला
नहीं
था?
पा रही है
हाँ।
मजली की शादी हो रही है और समाज में यही होता है कि जब तक बड़ी बहन की शादी ना हो तो छोटी वाली पे हमेशा यही रहता है कि तुम्हें रुकना पड़ेगा इस समाज का यही so something of that sort
देखा यार क्या बात.
and he would be wearing those black glasses
Yeah.
and doing this
All कुर्ता पजामा या.
हाँ so he would do that bit and like
ये कट होगा, इसका रील इसको बोलेगी. तो गाइज सैन फ्रांसिस्को के टिकट्स अभी आ गए हैं. आप कनाडा के टिकट जो
बड़की
प्लीज देख लीजिए है ना.
अरे
जल्दी
they
जल्दी
became
करो.
such house
You know, and that kind of breaks my heart now, when we have all these Jata Katel, Panchatantra and all these incredible stories.
Absolutely.
And we're really not borrowing from our native literature and stories. Now it's all like, Anupama के 9 divorce हो गए हैं, उसके 50 शादियां हो गई हैं. वो मेरी उम्र पे वो दादी बन गई है. I'm just like, this is so cloying and irritating.
हाँ.
As opposed to like the stuff that we used to see when we were younger, or the stuff that used to be around when they gave a crap about they gave a hoot about programming.
नहीं तो पहले बहुत सारी पहले एक और भी आता था जिसमें ग्लोब घूमता था शुरू में मुझे भूल गया उसमें हर बार कोई नई कहानी आती थी which was adapted from very famous short story of the world, not just India.
I remember. Like a folklore from the.
I saw, I think I saw O. Henry's Gift of the Magi. In that Indian version, एक Bengali wife होती है और एक Bengali husband होता है और she goes to buy him a strap for an expensive watch that he has that he's never worn, and so she goes to buy him the strap for the watch. And she cuts off her hair and sells it.
Yeah, and he buys.
And he buys her these jeweled combs.
Selling the thing that.
By selling the watch. And so it's like, they both wanted to buy something special for each other. So they end up selling her the special thing. But that's such a gorgeous story. And I think I saw it with a Bengali couple. O. Henry, मतलब French author की story मैंने Bengali couple के साथ देखी है.
पूरे interpretations के साथ वो like they would announce that this is the story. तो पहले ये काफी इस तरीके के मतलब series
But maybe I think also to keep it more, I would say, culturally relevant.
हाँ.
अभी तो क्या है अभी तो everything is open. आप जो picture जो बनाओ, पहला थोड़ा वो था framework भी था. दूरदर्शन का framework.
I think now the penetration has changed, so the priorities have changed.
Dude, also, I mean, if your channel is on 24/7, then you have to provide programming 24/7. The quality of the programming is obviously going to take a nosedive.
हाँ, तो वो तो बिल्कुल चला गया ना कि जी 2 घंटे में है या 2.5 घंटे में है, and like now news has become entertainment. So it's now more in that zone कि मतलब you need to have a very captive. अगले 4 घंटे में हो जाएगा इजराइल बर्बाद. This is yesterday. कि इजराइल so something of this.
हो गया क्या? 1 मिनट फोन करके देखो उनको.
I'll tell you when I stopped watching news, and I still remember that day. Like, so there are things that I talk about it in almost every episode, but they think that you remember and you say कि बस हो गया. I was sleeping at home. Sunday है. Afternoon I woke up. ठीक है. मैंने एक लगाया न्यूज चैनल. ठीक है. उस पे आ रहा था कि भगवान परशुराम का फरसा मिल गया. So that kulhadi that Bhagwan Parshuram uses, has been found at.
This is on the news.
हाँ. And I changed the channel, and I kid you not, the other channel is showing कि भगवान श्री राम का धनुष मिल गया. And I'm like, nahi. So it's basically what happens is they get a brief कि अभी
Mahabharat
TRP
only,
ये
but in news
इससे-
version.
इससे बढ़ेगी तो
परशुराम जी की बात कर रहे हैं आप, अभी श्री राम के बारे में बात करो। हाँ,
एंड आई एम लाइक नहीं ये तो रिलीजन को भी हमें बेवकूफी बना रहे हैं उसमें, तो आई एम लाइक नहीं अब ये बिक चुका है पूरा, यू नो दिस इज लाइक नो, बिकॉज somebody told me from a news channel that news, you know, when news changed in India was when Prince fell in that hole. वो
Yeah.
प्रिंस एक वो बच्चा वो गिरा था ना उसमें,
गड्ढे में गिर गया था।
खड्डे में
हाँ,
गिर गया
गड्ढे में
था,
गिरा था।
बोरवेल में
बोरवेल में बच्चा गिरा था।
के लिए
72 hours continuous streaming थी, I remember
That's a
this.
landmark event for the news industry because there they learned that this is what people want to see.
कि सब बच्चा कुएं में गिर जाए,
Everybody, हाँ.
and अभी तक बच्चे कुएं में गिरते हैं, मतलब literally
हाँ, but
this thing,
now
but
nobody cares about that. So the thing is,
Fair.
trends change. So they see what do people want to see. So they realized, oh my God, people just want to know अभी क्या हो रहा है प्रिंस के साथ, अब क्या हुआ प्रिंस के साथ, you know?
where is Prince now, you guys?
बाकी दुनिया में बम पड़ गए, 150 बंदे मर गए, उससे फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा।
लेकिन
प्रिंस कहाँ है? मेरे लिए न्यूज उस दिन चेंज हो गया। आई एम लाइक नो, आई एम नॉट वाचिंग एनीथिंग ऑन न्यूज आफ्टर दिस. There's zero credibility of what comes on television, you know, in news now. This is just a TRP game.
You know, for me, I think when you see those news debates, as they take place 9 o'clock, you're having dinner at home, and those guys are fighting, you know. And I felt I used to eat an extra roti because of that. गुस्से में एक और रोटी, तब से मैं टीवी निकाल दिया।
Yeah, you know in restaurants, no, they put extra loud music so you eat faster or whatever. I think that's what happens with news also while watching and eating.
I think let's do the format also of the show. We've been like for a long time we've
Riffing,
just been talking.
Yeah.
The format is we are supposed to pick up a chit out of this.
Acha.
Aditi, can you please do the honor?
Yes,
And
yes.
then we talk about whatever is written on the chit.
Comedy on TV, is it the same, better or worse?
So
सीनियर प्लीज।
okay, so my first thing of comedy on TV would have been the Jaspal Bhatti show, you know, which left a huge mark on me.
We have him here.
Oh,
Yeah.
Where first time on TV a guy is satiring the Indian government.
Yeah.
I mean, first of all, how did he get the permission? How did he get away
Yeah.
with it?
Yeah.
And making fun of the government on TV, which is controlled by the government.
Yeah.
And I think the way he handled it was like, I remember that program is where sort of, you know, we used to wait कि अभी 8 या 9 बजे
We saw
आएंगे.
satire for the first time
First time.
because of Jaspal Bhatti.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Brilliant, yeah. Brilliant. अभी तक चल रही है clips.
You know, there's that great one with PP water balls के stock खरीद रहे हैं.
People are still so imagine the brilliance of that man.
Yeah.
You know the content that he created 30 years ago in satire.
It's still relevant now.
All the 10 episodes are completely relevant even today. You know, and that show only had 10 episodes.
That's
This is the
insane.
same thing with
That's
Mr. Bean
ridiculous.
also.
हाँ?
मिस्टर बीन भी ऐसी है
हाँ.
कि व्हेन यू सी यू फील कि अरे कितने एपिसोड्स हैं मिस्टर बीन के, बट जस्ट लाइक दिस उसके भी 10 ही एपिसोड्स है, देखा तो
नहीं, but
कुछ
this
बहुत
was-
हार्डली। या मिस्टर बीन आल्सो
So
Very few
Jaspal
episodes.
Bhatti का
That's
पता है क्या था?
crazy.
Yeah.
Flop show. You know, first time you were seeing a show which called itself flop show.
Yeah.
Okay. And randomly made. Okay. Very. But
I
the
mean, like
writing
from
was
the
so tight.
opening credits onwards,
Misdirected
right?
by...
Flop,
Or credits be
flop,
misdirected by
flop,
Jaspal
flop
Bhatti.
show,
Yeah.
flop show.
Camera fell down. Zoom in, zoom out, zoom in. Sorry. Okay.
So why they didn't get a second season on Doordarshan was because the last episode was a satire on Doordarshan. So the first season.
Oh
when
my
they
God, we got to go
pushed
see
the
that
envelope,
episode.
The last.
Listen, sorry, can you make a viewing list from this discussion? Because I desperately need to see all this.
So last episode was where, you know, a halwai decides to make a TV serial. Okay.
Amazing.
And then what happens is they want to make a horror series. Okay. They make a horror series. And there are all kinds of things happening. कि they are trying to hire a heroine. तो हलवाई की बीवी नाराज हो जाती है कि औरतों के साथ कैसे बात करो. So they have a guy who plays the heroine. All of that happens. They shoot it, you know, and then they sell the tapes to the, you know, Doordarshan. तब तो Doordarshan ही होता था कि टीवी वालों को बेच दी. And that year they win an award. They're like, you know, you are, you know, हमें award मिल रहा है. कह रहे best horror का, कहते नहीं best comedy का.
Oh.
So that.
What an incredible, potent
It
point.
was, हाँ.
Oof, oof, oof.
So वो episode was a satire on Doordarshan, and after that they stopped. So Jaspal Bhatti started with a show on Jalandhar Doordarshan first called Rangchpang. So Rangchpang, मतलब रंग में भंग
रंग
डाल
में
रहे हैं।
भंग, हाँ, correct.
So middle of the चित्रहार, they'll get 2 minutes. Okay, so so he called it Rangich Pang because everybody wants to watch Doordarshan, wants to watch Chitrahar,
Yeah.
the song, and suddenly there is
This guy
Sardar
doing-
guy
yeah.
and they're talking about something. So they called it that, very funny. Then they made Ulta Pulta.
Oh yeah.
Oh my God, yeah, dude.
उल्टा पुल्टा बनाया उल्टा पुल्टा बनाया तो उल्टा पुल्टा उल्टा पुल्टा उल्टा है and then they did this. Then he made a movie, okay, during terrorism. He made a movie which was like, and at the time of terrorism police का काफी वो था, like police had a free hand and like everybody was scared of the police in Punjab police was like and he made a movie which was a satire on police. And it was, it was premiered in Tihar Jail. He premiered it in Tihar Jail. The man's brilliance.
Dude, he even at some point, I think either Savita Bhatti ji or one of them ran for, put a can of petrol up for election. So you could vote for the can of petrol. And they did like a whole campaign and everything. कि ये पेट्रोल के लिए was it either a can of petrol or a can of water? I don't know. But like that translation of what satire is supposed to be in the real world. उन्होंने बहुत, you're right. I mean, honestly, legendary.
Coming back to this question, I think comedy on TV, it's very selective. Some pieces are still interesting, but I miss the old comedy days when we had like Doordarshan. We started with Hasya Kavis earlier. Okay.
Yeah.
Hasya Kavi aate the. तो Surendra Sharma ji, again he's there. So he was Kaka Hathrasi, and that has kind of, I think, gone away. The originality has gone away in Hasya Kavis now. I see a lot of them, and 70% is WhatsApp. Okay, that's the problem that I see, and it's become a very templatized. Because I have done a TV show now. I've hosted a show. And I'm sorry, but the writing is so templatized there. कि ये एक वो पड़ोसी की बीवी वाला जोक कर दो, एक वो ये अमीर और गरीब वाला जोक कर दो, अमीर के बच्चे गरीब. And we had to really push back to do more than that. Like you really had to push back, and if you're working with those writers, they are so programmed to write within those lines कि they'll not look outside. तो अभी अच्छे शोज पहले से काफी कम हो गए हैं. We had shows like ये जो है जिंदगी, we had
देख बाय देख, we had ज़बान संभाल के.
हाँ.
Was an incredible
I was so
show.
surprised, pleasantly surprised that देख बाय देख was written by Vipul Shah, Optimistics के जो owner हैं.
No, wait, you're saying like Shefali Shah का पति विपुल Shah? Oh, thank God, I had a heart attack. I was like,
the other Vipul Shah who owns Optimistics, and that's why I said yes to doing a TV show with Vipul Shah. Vipul connected with me, and I was going for my US tour in 2016, and he's like, हमें ये करना है, and I'm like, sir, मुझे TV नहीं करना, because we were very scared of television कि यार
कुछ बोलेंगे, कुछ हो जाएगा,
ये वो है, and I'm like, हम YouTube करे मेरे को. He said, आप आओ, and he flew me down to Bombay from Delhi. He met me and he said, ये बोर्ड पे मैंने आपका नाम लिखा है, आपको तो मैंने लेना है. And I'm like, हाँ फिगर आउट करते हैं सर, मेरा तो डेट भी नहीं है, ये वो है, I have to. Then he took me for lunch, and there he told me that I started by writing देख बाई देख. मैं कहा ले, आपने देख बाई देख लिखा है, आपके लिए तो मैं 2 डेट इधर उधर करके भी करूंगा किसी दिन. I'm so like, I want to work for people that who made a difference to my life, and Dekh Bhai Dekh was one of those shows.
But I think one show which we should definitely talk about, since there are 4 stand-up comedians here, is the Great Indian Laughter Challenge.
Absolutely.
That changed. That inspired
That changed
so
everything.
many a generation of us that you can get up on stage and just do plain stand-up comedy. The first episode, maybe I think Kapil was there, Raju was there.
No. First episode, Raju
Kapil
Srivastava
was there.
and
So Raju
Sunil
bhai-
Pal and all these
Yeah.
guys.
Ehsan Qureshi.
Sunil Pal, Raju Bhai, Ehsan Qureshi,
Yeah,
Naveen
yeah.
Prabhakar.
हाँ.
Do you know like how many days did it
Pehchan
took
kaun?
to shoot the entire thing?
No.
I love hearing this story.
You know this?
No, bol.
So Laughter Challenge, I think जहाँ तक मैंने सुने हैं स्टोरीज, तो वो पिच करने के लिए कुछ 7 महीने लगे थे. चैनल्स को जाकर बताना कि ऐसा एक शो हम लोग कर रहे हैं. पंकज सर ऑलमोस्ट टुक 7 months द डायरेक्टर कि नहीं चलेगा बोलते नहीं यार ये क्या चलेगा, ये थोड़ी कहाँ कॉमेडियंस को बुलाएंगे सर. नहीं तो दे स्टार्टेड हंटिंग everybody. Then I think Jimmy Moses sir, he also said to many comedians कि जाओ यार एक शो बन रहा है करके तुम लोग जाओ ऑडिशन करने. एंड दिस एंड तो स्टार ने आई थिंक उनको बोला था कि आपको हम देंगे आई थिंक द एंटायर जितने भी एपिसोड्स थे जो आप देख रहे हो लाफ्टर फर्स्ट के, द एंटायर शो वाज शॉट इन 2 or 3 days.
Wow.
What? No.
Yeah.
इतना ही बजट है हमारे पास.
It was shot in 2 or 3 days. सब कुछ हो गया था. एंड आई रिमेंबर जब ये द शो पिक्ड अप शुरू हुआ था, शो पिक्ड अप आई थिंक फ्रॉम 3rd episode जहाँ पे नवीन प्रभाकर आया था. एंड नवीन भाई स्टार्ट डूइंग पहचान कौन एवरीवन पहचान कौन क्या है. तो नवीन सर टोल्ड मी लाइक यू नो वो जब आ रहे थे जब ये एपिसोड एयर हुआ, सो दिस गाइस दे वर डूइंग ऑल शोज एंड एवरीथिंग. इन्होंने सब शोज चल रहे थे इनके शोज चल रहे थे या सब चल रहा था एकदम. एंड आई थिंक नवीन सर तभी कहीं प्लेन से he just came from a show and जैसे उतरे ना he was like कि क्या हो गया मेरे साथ, लेकिन because everyone was like कि पहचान को जब यार मतलब सिक्योरिटी थी उनके लिए ऐसे कि
ओवरनाइट
because overnight star yeah. and उनका मतलब ऐसा था कि लाफ्टर के बाद जब हुआ था उसके बाद उनके मतलब आई स्टिल रिमेंबर कि सुनील सर एवरीबडी टेल मी राजू भाई इनके कैलेंडर्स फिल थे पूरे, मतलब एवरी डे मतलब जा रहे हैं शो कर रहे हैं वहां से यहाँ पे लैंड किया, एक दूसरा बंद उनका आएगा ड्राइवर बैग देगा वो चले जाएंगे वहां से आएंगे. तो इट वाज लाइक दैट. आज दिल्ली फिर कल रायपुर फिर दैट सो दे ऑल मतलब ये टैलेंट ने.
I had seen Raju Srivastava's one episode, a podcast सुना था या कुछ था, where he said कि स्टेडियम शो करते थे तभी, स्टेडियम शो तभी.
हाँ
कॉमेडियंस तो ने अभी तक few comedians have reached that stage where you can do.
राजू भाई ने तो मना ही कर दिया था. राजू भाई ने मना कि मैं नहीं करूंगा, ये नहीं करना था उनको.
I heard this.
उन्होंने मना कर दिया हमको नहीं करना है करके. तो अगेन पंकज सर ही वेंट टू हिज प्लेस एंड ही सेड कि नहीं करो आप, बिकॉज राजू श्रीवास्तव तो नाम है ऑलरेडी. ही वाज एंड इवन व्हेन यू सर राजू भाई क्यों आए इस शो में, हमारा ऐसी था कि राजू श्रीवास्तव इस शो में क्या कर रहा है इनके साथ, है ना.
But for him also I think the fortunes changed.
Yeah, everybody. Then Pankaj sir told him कि अमिताभ बच्चन आए ना केबीसी में टीवी पे आ गए तो सबके सब
जिंदगी बदल गई.
इट इज लाइक दैट. Come and do it.
US में Phoenix में and this there's this group of ladies who were also my organizers there, and they told me and I'm talking to them, Big Boss ये वो आ रहा है. Yeah, Big Boss. We actually have a WhatsApp group which discusses only Big Boss.
So you know
They have a WhatsApp group that just discusses.
So I feel like I've done a lot in my life that I should be proud of. I've gone to places, I've met people, I've really extended myself intellectually, performance-wise, etc. Nobody in my building WhatsApp group has ever given a flying. I go on Big Boss OTT season 3 for 10 minutes. For 10 minutes, I walk out, my phone has exploded.
Wow.
Okay, every WhatsApp group I've ever been on since 1887 is like, oh my God, is that you?
You arrived.
Yeah. Then people from my building are like, we are so proud of you, Aditya. I said, the world thinks the opposite, okay? I was getting, dude, but the kind of like attention that TV gets you.
TV has got reach.
We have. I think we still
off the
underestimate
charts.
what television does.
TV का reach was
And purely in terms of reach, television is great. Problem with TV today is, this is more as an artist, as a performer, it doesn't pay well.
Yeah, it doesn't.
I think so.
It doesn't
pay well.
It doesn't.
The other problem I'll tell you with television, which I feel, genuinely they should try to fix in India. Why? Just to answer that question, why we don't have good shows in India? Okay, why we are not able to make good shows? Indian Idol, India's Got Talent, all of these are international shows.
Yep, they're formats.
They are
taken from
formats.
abroad.
So or even Big Boss, for example, is an international show where they have to pay a certain amount of fee to use that format. Okay, so the creator of that show
is the one
earning
yeah.
from the IP that he created. Here, because me and Khamba, we were writing a new show, which was a reality show again. We thought that's a great idea, and we started talking, and we said we want to own the IP, and they said no way. So if you are an Indian writer or you are an Indian creator and you take a show to television, they will never give you the IP of that show.
But then who
you
gets it?
do
Like the
not
channel
have
gets
the
it?
incentive to really think and build a brilliant show. They'll pay money internationally.
But they won't give in. No,
They'll
my
not
question
pay
is
you
who
in-
gets the money? Who gets the IP then?
The
Channel will keep it.
Channel keeps the
It's a
IP.
channel.
The channel keeps
Even
the
characters,
IP.
they keep the IP, no?
Huh?
Like Anu Menon, Lola Kutti,
Huh.
just to give an example.
Oh, the IP is with
IP
the
is
channel.
with the
V.
channel. She cannot do Lola Kutti
Outside of the channel.
Outside of the channel, after the show.
So the thing is, it's why would I put in sweat and blood to create a show
yeah.
जिसमें
Owned by
मुझे एक बार पैसे मिलेंगे उसके बाद उनकी मर्जी है वो कुछ करें और they
ना ही करें, yeah.
completely there and I think it has great potential. I'm like गोली मारो इतने से पैसे के लिए मैं ये सब करके ठीक है I create an IP ठीक है for you from where which you will make money all your life doesn't make sense to me. So as a creator you are
But you know, with same OTT also does the same thing. OTT, if you go with the channel concept, they will say this IP is owned by us. If you go to Amazon,
हाँ so in India it's happening.
they may pay you royalty for the
हाँ.
उसके जो spin-offs आए अगर, you know. So, but
You know, I do
it's all
love.
IP game only.
यार इंडिया में वो है ही नहीं ना वो जो क्रिएटर राइटर का जो है ना उसका वैल्यू नहीं है सो देन इफ यू से कि व्हाई आर वी नॉट क्रिएटिंग क्वालिटी बिकॉज वी आर नॉट बीइंग कॉम्पनसेटेड फॉर इट
So I had a friend who recently pitched something to Netflix and then Fetflix and and apparently the feedback that came was that this show is not second screen enough. Because everyone is supposed to, like, your primary screen is your phone, and even when you're watching something, you're usually looking at your phone. And so, if you want to run something on Netflix, then it should be second screen enough.
So all OTTs are now saying it has to be like your show should be watchable while using the phone.
अच्छा.
It's not like
That
they
engaging.
don't want.
Yeah.
Should be that engaging.
They
Or
don't-
that
हाँ, it
it's
should
so
not be
simple that it just
engaging.
passes by while you're watching your phone. You look up, you know what's happening in the story.
अच्छा. Oh, okay.
तो तुम फोन देखते देखते साथ में देख सको so it should
But
not
phone
be
छोड़ना
too
नहीं है.
intelligent.
Phone
नहीं,
छोड़ना
नहीं,
है.
वो नहीं. How dare you?
They
Yeah,
don't
it's a
want
piece.
shows where if you miss a scene, you miss the story.
Okay, okay.
They want a चलो ठीक है चलो ठीक है चलो ठीक है
ऐसा
Because
हुआ
that's
होगा.
how we watch television now. Television, just to tell you, you know about comedy, okay? I heard a very interesting story because, you know, I think the only person who's carried comedy for the last few years on television has been Kapil Sharma.
Yeah.
He's the only one who's been able to do, nobody else has been able to do.
Yes.
And the magic of Kapil Sharma. I think Varun Sharma was telling me this story. The Chucha in, you know,
Varun Sharma.
Yeah, that
Phokre.
Wild Punjab में अभी आया है.
Wild Punjab. And he was telling me that some, you know, faraway village in Leh, okay, where बिजली नहीं आती है, तो वो ना बैटरी से चला सकते हैं सिर्फ टीवी, ठीक है, और वो उन्होंने वो लगाया हुआ है, सैटेलाइट लगा रखा है, तो पूरा गांव कुछ ऐसा है स्टोरी एज फार एज आई रिमेंबर, पूरा गांव दे यूज इट लिमिटेड बिकॉज बैटरी है तो और वो भी भरवानी पड़ेगी, ठीक है, so they use it when Kapil Sharma show is on.
That's crazy.
They don't get to watch anything. They've decided they'll only watch Kapil Sharma show because it's, and that's the reach of Kapil Sharma comedy.
I
where
love
it's-
Kapil Sharma.
हाँ,
He
he's
is like
brilliant. He's
what a
absolutely
legend already while alive. I loved his Netflix special. You know, I actually, so in the middle, you know, there was, I think, and on my part also, I was slightly misinformed where, you know, you're like, अरे नहीं Kapil पे तो ऐसा होता है, Kapil पे तो वैसा होता है. But you're like, if you sit down and watch, you know, 4 episodes, you're like, oh, and I hate celebrity and Bollywood-oriented comedy in general. I'm so over it. हाँ, ठीक है, अभी वो कर रहा है, वो रेखा के साथ उसने अफेयर किया, wow, that's crazy. क्या हम same बातें कर रहे हैं from that time, right? Kapil, I feel like, especially with this Netflix show that he's done, has managed to steer away from that. Even though he's talking to celebrities, he's talking to them about their lives, he's talking to them about their project. It's still not कि अच्छा आपको तो पता है ना कि रेखा और अमिताभ का अफेयर हुआ था, अरे यार ठीक है यार, द सेम पंच लाइन ना, कितने साल, मतलब decades you're घसीटोing it. I really feel like,
हाँ, he doesn't go there.
oh my god, he's amazing. I
It's-
love him.
I think one of the things that has happened with Kapil Sharma show, which nobody has been able to do in comedy so far, is he's brought Bollywood and comedy to the same level. So they come in as peers most of the time.
Yeah.
नॉट एज लाइक यू नो कि एहसान करे आके वाला नहीं रहा है कि एक होता है ना कि मैं होस्ट हूँ एंड यू आर लाइक हाँ सर अब बताइए, हाँ जी अतुल जी आप कैसे हैं, सुमेश जी आप कैसे हैं, अदिति जी अरे आपका तो वो चल रहा है वो बहुत बड़ी. इट्स नॉट दैट.
They want to come.
हाँ,
They want to come on the show.
they want to come and second they can take a joke with Kapil. ठीक है, कपिल में
equal
कैन
in power
मेक
with
फन. हाँ, the power equation is very different there. So guys, let's do the second पर्ची now. I think every time we start doing
Right.
something on television, we get into nostalgia and
Yeah.
पर्ची हम उठा ही नहीं रहे. Second पर्ची तुम उठाओ यार.
मैं अच्छा
हाँ.
Did you ever have to fight for your TV time? Ever have to fight for it?
Yes, as a kid, yes. There was always limited time. 2 घंटे की प्रोग्रामिंग में भी बोला जाता था कि आंखें खराब हो जाएंगी. सर
नहीं, आई थिंक हमारे घर पे काफी डेमोक्रेसी थी इन टर्म्स ऑफ. एक तो आई एम स्लाइटली ओल्डर, तो जो आता था वही सबको देखना पड़ता था. ऐसा नहीं था कि मैं ये देखूं आप वो देखो, you know, समझे मेरी बात.
हाँ, पहले वो नहीं था.
ऑप्शन ही नहीं थे यार.
हाँ, वो
या तो ये चलेगा या तो ऑफ होगा टीवी, तो तुम डिसाइड कर लो.
What's been with you?
This is my villain origin story. Is that I hate cricket for this very reason. Is because whenever there was some match, and not even important match, now the useless like chindi chor formats of cricket are there. But that time, like any match used to happen, remote was gone. Remote was gone. Everyone in my house sitting with, you know, helmet, knee pad, gloves, and just shouting at the TV, like swinging the back. I hated it. I hated it, and that I think that was it. It really ate into my ITV time. I don't know if anyone remembers ITV, where you could call in and request a song on the phone, and it used to kill me. That my brothers and my cousins and my chachus and everybody just sitting there hogging the TV.
Nothing allowed at that time.
Nothing else allowed during that time. And so that is my my villain origin story. This is how I grew up to hate cricket with a passion.
And also what happened slightly later on, I think people started getting, at a time, like in my room, I had my own TV after some time. Like, I'm
When
talking
you have
old.
a bungalow in Juhu.
I mean, how it is. No. It's exhausting.
Everybody at one time had their own TV in their room. There was one TV in the living room. Everybody had their individual TVs. So if bahar family is watching something, you will go to your room and watch what you want to do. You know, I'm just saying.
यार हमारे तो सबसे ज्यादा खराब.
Am I the only one?
Yeah.
you are the only one.
I still don't have my own TV. Like my mom has a TV in her room, and that's the only TV.
Now
we have in the
there are no
house.
TVs in any room. सब phone पे देखते हैं आजकल.
My worst time was कि डैडी आ गए, खबरें लगा दो.
So cute.
तो न्यूज चल रहे हैं, अब हम अच्छा भला कुछ और देख रहे थे, अब हमें न्यूज के साथ खाना खाना है कि और बजट जिस दिन आ गया उस दिन तो स्यापा पड़ गया, क्योंकि 5 घंटे बजट चल रहा है जो पूरा देखना है डैडी ने, और बाद में है कि इनकम टैक्स का ब्रैकेट चेंज हो गया, और कोई फर्क ही नहीं आ रहा है.
Yeah.
So
As a kid, you don't understand that also. Yeah, क्या फर्क पड़ रहा है? Yeah.
बट फॉर मी नहीं, ऐसा कुछ फाइटिंग में कुछ था नहीं.
हाँ.
बस, और आंखें खराब करने अब मैं अपने बच्चों को बोलता हूँ कि मत देखो ज्यादा, आप तुम्हारे खराब हो जाएंगे.
हाँ, I feel so betrayed because all my life I have heard from my parents, इतना टीवी देखोगे आंखें खराब हो जाएगी, इतना टीवी. अब वही माँ बाप ना सारा दिन व्हाट्सएप ऐसे देख रहे हो.
ट्रू.
सारा दिन ऐसे.
True.
I'm like, क्या हुआ?
घुस जाओ टीवी के अंदर, घुस जाओ, they used to say.
But Sumit, you have young kids. Like, how old are they?
8 years.
8 years old. So at 8 years, what do they watch? They're interested in TV, नहीं ना?
टीवी नहीं, बट वो टीवी पे भी
Phone device हो गया.
फोन डिवाइस है,
iPad हो गया, yeah.
या बट टीवी पे फिल्म्स देखनी, उनको मूवीज देखनी तो फिर टीवी के ऊपर.
हाँ, वो तो obviously.
या सो है, बट ऐसा कोई टीवी उनको कुछ ये नहीं, मतलब आई थिंक दे आर फॉर देम आल्सो ऐसा भी नहीं कि पोगो देख रहे, ये देख रहे, नॉट टीवी चैनल्स. दे वांट टू सी नेटफ्लिक्स के जो एनिमेशन मूवीज है वो उनको देखना है
Okay.
विद प्रॉपर साउंड, वो है. बाकी तो उन लोग फोन पे ही है आजकल, सब बच्चे फोन पे अभी तो.
Let's pick up another chit. Sir, आप उठाइए.
I hope I can read without my specs. हाँ नहीं, अच्छा बड़ा लिखा है. What are your favorite TV shows of all time?
I think we have discussed this, or
Yeah, I think
नहीं
we more or less
बताओ,
covered it.
आपने नहीं बताया
आप
सर.
बताओ. Sorry.
My favorite TV show of all time, I think, would have been Indian Laughter Challenge. Like, if from a comedy perspective.
Indian Laughter Challenge.
Yeah. I would have been. आपका?
हाँ, Great Indian Laughter Challenge definitely among the top ones, but in terms of what I can watch on repeat is Mahabharat. I can still watch Mahabharat.
What I can go and search on YouTube and see is MTV Bakra.
Oh, that show was
MTV
great.
Bakra.
Yeah.
That was the first prank show. I think.
MTV
Yeah,
Bakra.
also, yeah,
मतलब I
very nice.
go and watch वो कौन सा था Cyrus वाला. It was like, yeah, I want to see that.
Yours?
My CID.
CID.
CID is my.
अच्छा.
She has been on CID, by the way.
Stop it, everyone. Hold your life together. But guys, मेरे को nepotism की वजह से मिला है because my mother is, on the production team. So not even like producer वाला team, but production वाले level पे.
Still?
Dude, yeah.
फिर भी मिल जाता है देखो.
हाँ.
तो उनका स्टैंडर्ड इतना लो है कास्टिंग का या प्रोडक्शन वाले घर वाले लेके आए
मम्मी मेरा मजाक उड़ा रहे हैं. Dude, first of all, how dare you? Second of all, my mother, got her first, like this, it was her longest job. She got this job about 14 years ago. And the CID is the longest running show on Indian television.
अब तक आता है, but
No, it just ended a year, like 2 years, 3 years ago. But like, yes, to the longest running show on freaking Indian television. My mother got in, to do production for them. And it was the job, she says, that enabled her to like, through my junior college, when I was in the US, she was like, Aditi, that job is the reason that you are able to be standing on your feet today.
That's very
Because, we would every morning, and even now, she like, manages a couple of studios in Nerul. She will wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning, go to Nerul, sit there till 11 o'clock or whatever, till 3 o'clock in the afternoon, come back till like by 7 o'clock. She's like, Aditi, TV is addictive and it has made her a kind of person where she says, she's, all her friends are retiring and, like sitting down and kitty party and all, tash khel rahe and all. She's like, Aditi, I can't. She's like, once you get into the TV life, you become the kind of person that wants to die on their feet. Yeah. Because you see how quickly life changes, how quickly a thing can be created, how quickly it can be destroyed, how quickly it can fulfill its purpose and move on.
I've heard in some TV serials they write the story on the set.
Yeah.
On the
Yeah.
There's no, like, because
Even
they're
so,
shooting
lots of
back
them
to back.
they'll do where the whole script for the whole episode is one page. Okay, the rest is just ye wala shot, wo wala shot. Other se aayi, wahan pe gayi. It's the pace at which TV works is breakneck.
CID पे आपने क्या किया? CID में
So thanks everyone. I was
लाश होगी पक्का लाश होगी नहीं
First of all, no. I was in one episode. I was the bookie of the girls' college basketball match. Who was accused of electrocuting the main person who got murdered by putting current in the basketball hoop.
Oh, okay.
So when they went in for a slam dunk,
There's current.
they got current and died. Oh. And so I was I got slapped in the first episode. Because you get slapped by the lady cop. If you're a lady criminal, you get slapped by the lady cop. It's amazing. They like taught me also ki you have to put your hand, like, so when you're getting slapped, one hand goes here, but you have to do the fatki awaz.
अच्छा, you have to do it.
Your thigh, yeah.
अच्छा.
Because you got the mic on you, no?
Oh, interesting.
You're listening to,
Oh wow.
यार क्या बात है यार. Super.
thanks. मैं मार खाने में बहुत experienced हूँ. Thanks.
Interesting.
And so then,
Interesting.
Thanks. I did that, and then because Fireworks was also doing Ahart at that point in time, so I was on a bunch of episodes of Ahart also. Again, like all side roles, nothing ever anything important. It was कि अगर actor नहीं आया उस दिन का तो मम्मा would be like, Aditi,
आ जाओ.
जल्दी आओ, they need you on set in like half an hour. तो मैं सब भाग के आती थी, and then
So this was all before comedy.
this was actually happening at the same time as comedy.
तो उन्होंने देख के बोले आप कॉमेडी करो. आप कॉमेडी अच्छा करोगे.
And so then once I was an Adivasi Rani, जिसको खूनी भेड़िए ने पिछले पुनर्जन्म में उसका मर्डर किया था, तो मैं मेरा सेकंड बर्थ हुआ था और मैं खूनी भेड़िए को ढूंढने आई थी.
IMDb पूरा है तुम.
My first television appearance was hosting the New Year for Doordarshan.
Wild. Wild.
Hosting the New Year for
New
Doordarshan.
Year program on Doordarshan. And
Which
we
year?
were very, this was 2014 or so. Me
I know
and
you and
Neeti,
Neeti had done it, yeah.
me and Neeti had done it. And basically हुआ क्या है कि उनका फोन आया मुझे कि हमें पता चला आप कॉमेडी करते हो और हम क्या है हम थोड़ा न्यू एज करना चाहते हैं इस बार अपने प्रोग्राम को. And I was damn excited because New Year on Doordarshan, we grew up watching New Year on
6 billion people
Doordarshan.
watching it.
And we went there. So I spoke to Neeti. मैंने कहा ऐसे है तो अपन दोनों जने इकट्ठे करेंगे. हाँ ठीक है इकट्ठे करते हैं. She was also excited. Very less money. We were paid 25,000 rupees per person, and we spent like 2 weeks planning it, writing our scripts. We made sketches. We talked to a couple of our friends कि आप ये sketches कर देना. They were like हाँ हम करेंगे. ये वो है तुमको पैसे भी मिलेंगे वो सब.
Wild.
All of that, and then the level of interference that is there because करना है हमें modern, but so on New Year, so one, the program one में ये कैसे नहीं ये नहीं. So we interviewed the guy who won Sushil Kumar, which we were very excited
Wrestling
about.
he won that year.
Wrestling.
Yeah.
And one, so there, what they did was to get Sushil Kumar because he's a busy man and he's like, big.
New Year's, yeah.
What they did was, and they're very sharp people. They called his coach, who's also his father-in-law, and said, we want to do something with you. And then got Sushil in the
Sly.
pretext because, Sushil can't say no to his guru.
Yeah.
Okay? And we met him. We are big fans of Sushil. Like such proud moment for us. And I felt so bad because he was made to wait for 2 hours. Because ये नहीं चल रहा है 1 मिनट रुक जाओ. ये नहीं चल रहा है ये 1 मिनट रुक जाओ. All of that. The problem was the bureaucracy. They have the best equipment in the
yeah, I
world.
believe so.
Okay, they have the best broadcasting equipment. But just the pure bureaucracy and what all has to be done. Like there was a poem they said कि finally they added it. We looked at programming. We said, can we have a say? हाँ आप जैसे बताओगे वैसे करेंगे. And later on it slowly becomes what they want to do. And so there is for New Year program at 11:40 there is a lady who's doing a poem. Nothing wrong with the poem, but it's New Year Eve.
Yeah.
Okay. And it's a poem about Beti Ki Awaaz, which is, about...
Appropriate, but still. Yeah.
But not like 11:40 in the night when you are watching New Year.
Someone's having a drink and all suddenly.
And matlab, all the programming at the last minute was changed. And we had told everybody, हम New Year का program host कर रहे हैं, हम New Year. फिर हम देख रहे हैं कि हम
लोग अपनी पार्टियां कैंसिल करके टीवी के सामने बैठे अमित को देख.
हमारा कोई जोक ही नहीं आया. हम तो बस आए कि अब हमारे फौजी भाइयों की तरफ से एंड देन वी आर गॉन. देन अब आ रही है आपके लिए कविता एंड देन वी आर गॉन. एंड आई एम लाइक इसमें मॉडर्न क्या
That's
ये प्री-रिकॉर्ड
horrible.
लाइव था क्या
नहीं लाइव नहीं. So it was recorded like 1.5 weeks ahead. And
That's horrible.
It's just, we were just not.
But they've done that with Dua also on Shark Tank, no? Dua just says like, now next thing is happening. And I'm like, I'm 100% sure they're editing the hell out of him.
But it's just like they removed everything out of it. And I remember हमने 2-3 हफ्ते दुख पता है क्या होता है. इतना काम किया हमने. ठीक है हमने इतने sketches लिखे सारा कुछ करा. And language appropriate, everything right. We got our friends. They were also disappointed because they were cut out.
Yeah, आए नहीं होंगे.
Like either you don't make that promise, but when you're doing it, and it's not easy to work there. One night I remember 8:30, 9 o'clock, me and Neeti are sitting in that, that drawing room kind of a thing, sitting, and we are working. And a peon comes in and he's drunk as hell. This food in his mouth that you can see, it's hair. And we had to send him out.
You like थोड़ा चबा के वापस निकल के आना.
अगले साल आओ.
But it was quite an experience. अब पर्ची मैं उठाता हूँ.
आखिरी पर्ची.
Have we had too many reality shows?
Have we?
had too many reality shows?
Too many reality shows. हाँ,
No,
मतलब
I think
ठीक
I
है,
think
अब-
finally the audience decides as long as they're consuming it. I think, but as
Part one, part two,
somebody
part three,
mentioned, there are
part four.
WhatsApp groups only for Big Boss discussing
Yeah.
somewhere
So
and
depressing.
things like that. I think people are damn queued on to.
You know, I love reality shows and especially the talent search ones, and especially in India because it's so exciting. You know, when you see someone completely unexpected come and blow your mind like that. I love talent search reality shows. I do get a little like I wish, you know, production companies would put an effort into making a script. It's not about like taking, you know, the 6 worst people that you've ever met and throwing them in a house and being like, do your thing. That I feel like, you know, it feels like you're waiting for them to create a story and then you will put your editing on top of it.
Reality.
And that I feel like is very depressing. Like I feel like, and that all those budgets are going, you know, into making a bigger house for the shitty reality show, then maybe even putting 1/4 that money into doing a scripted, well thought, you know, well written with good actors, you know, storytelling show. That is one thing I believe. But otherwise, I also love reality shows. I don't know what.
There are different kinds of reality shows.
Yeah,
One, I
yeah.
think the great thing that has happened because of reality shows is that it has given a platform to a lot of people from tier 2, tier 3 cities to portray their talent and has given them a life, has given them...
Agreed.
You know, like for
I
example,
love
a lot of
talent
those
search.
dance groups that are there, you know, I don't know what they would have done without getting that platform of a reality show, whether it's India's Got Talent, because I know lives have changed. you
Yeah,
know,
yeah, of course.
Of
Yeah.
people who are very talented, sitting in a tier 2, tier 3 city and don't know what to do with their talent because it's not like easy to market talent.
Because can I also complain about the judges though? Like I feel like फिर वो judges को मतलब फिर वो judge के पाय लागू कर रहे हैं जो मतलब you know around the leg of the judge they have just lapetoed सर आपको देख के मेरा दिमाग फट गया अरे यार जज है यार डांस करो खत्म करो क्या है ये
नहीं,
And
but-
the
हाँ.
गरीबी की मतलब उसके ना पाँव नहीं थे फिर वो 3 साल का था उसके बाप ने उसका सर काट दिया लेकिन आज वो बिना पाँव और बिना सर के लिए आपके लिए डांस करेगा why? You know, just give us because I feel like
TRP,
people's
यार.
no, but I feel like people's real stories are actually more interesting than कि उसका you know एक you know लोमड़ी ने उसकी आंख छीन ली तो देखते हैं आपका ये one eyed painter कोई क्या जरूरत है dude?
नहीं वो tragic story. See the thing is, it's based on TRP. ठीक है. Sad stories sell, so they would do that. They'll make them tell sad stories. A lot of them actually don't have those stories also.
But that you know again this that some
वो निकालते
sorry,
हैं.
I hate
And
it.
the
I
other
hate
part
it.
of it, you know, about judges, I'll tell you what. You know, where you are coming from. You know, what is coming from you is coming from somebody who's lived in Mumbai all his life. You know, all her life, and is not starry-eyed at all. You go to a tier 3 city,
Yeah.
who people have never seen a celebrity in, you know, skin and blood. For them, it's like,
वो जो
oh,
क्रेज होता है ना वो
anybody, they will like. So it's
You know, what
partly
I
it's,
feel-
you know, scripted, but partly it's also the level of awe
that these people
somebody
induce.
in a tier 3 city, if somebody is coming from, you know, Kanpur or
You know,
Gorakhpur,
I agree with this logic, but I also think that we have encouraged this boner for celebrity a lot. Like people have come up to me because somebody once came and said, "Hey, can I take a photograph?" And I said, "Oh, sure." And then we took a photograph, and then suddenly there were 9 people around me who were like, "Oh my God, can we take a photo and all?" And I was like, "I'm really not that famous. Like, I don't know how all these people know me." And then you turn around and you're like, "Do you know who I am?" And they're like, "नहीं, हमने बस वो photo ले रहे थे, तो हमने सोचा हम ले लेते."
नहीं, but sometimes
so it
you
is not
can- हाँ.
like I feel like it's
हाँ.
you're right about that, but I just feel like it's also this like it's this little bit orgy of like just attention and that.
हाँ,
I mean,
वो
some
देखो,
judges
थोड़ा
really
सा
don't deserve the kind of like
हाँ, वो-
groveling that they get. Let's
नहीं,
be
वो है।
honest. Like
खिंचा लो यार जब तक खींच रहे always like that.
No,
That's what,
listen.
खिंचा लो.
I've been a judge on a comedy show. You know what I'm saying? And I'm not to shit on myself, but totally to shit on myself. What's going on? Why? You
नहीं
know?
बट वो जो सेलिब्रिटी वाला है ना वो उसका एक रीजन है बिकॉज दे नॉट लाइक आई हैड केसेस वेयर somebody would want to take a picture and you keep a hand on their shoulder, you know, and then they'll, you know, slide their hand behind you and you can feel them trembling. It is for them it's still like, oh my
It's usually I'm the
God.
one trembling whenever somebody's got that.
You were saying something.
reality show
He's
का
done
एक-
so many reality shows himself. He is the king. of this, yeah.
oh of course because Indian Idol के बाद ही तो people started
Absolutely.
recognizing me. तो of course जितने reality shows आएंगे उतने opportunities बढ़ेंगे
हाँ.
for all this. And एक बहुत again that comedian friend who used to write for this show,
Reality shows.
नितेश ने मुझे बहुत अच्छी बात बोली. He said कि जब इन लोग winners decide करते हैं ना तो देखना वो कभी भी जो सीनियर मोस्ट है जो ऑलरेडी उस शो मतलब रिकग्नाइज्ड है उसको विनर नहीं बनाएंगे कभी. टीवी हमेशा उनको विनर बनाएगा जो अभी अभी आया है नया, जो यंग है ना उसको बनाएंगे.
हाँ, ताकि फिर उनको मैनेज करके उनका 15% रख सके.
इट इज नॉट अबाउट द मैनेज, इट इज नॉट मैनेजमेंट, इट इज नॉट अबाउट दैट.
I am very money minded.
नहीं, इट इज नॉट अबाउट दैट. आई विल टेल यू रीजन. मुझे उसने बहुत अच्छा बोला था. ही सेड बिकॉज जब उसको एक छोटे लड़के को हम लोग यंग लड़के को हम लोग बनाते हैं ना तो बाकी लोग के आंखों में भी वो सपना था कि हम लोग करेंगे इसमें.
That guarantees like 5,000
More people कि हम लोग अरे
in the
इसको बनकर तो
next
मैं भी बन
season.
सकता हूँ करके.
Like it's like you know these dreams can come true. It's like
Yeah.
एक शाहरुख खान बना तो 50,000 लोग आके प्लेटफॉर्म पे आके सो गए मुंबई में.
Fair enough.
ये बहुत अच्छा
You know, is
पॉइंट
the-
बोला था कि हाँ इट इज ऑलवेज लाइक दैट कि
हाँ.
आप हमेशा यंग वालों को
When
किसी को
you see
बुलाएंगे.
one success story, there are 50,000
No,
people.
of course.
They
That's
do
the
sell
effect
dreams.
of any kind of mass media.
I mean, they're selling dreams. That's what they're doing.
Yeah, and
Let's-
reality shows also about at the end it comes to somebody SMSing the winner for
हाँ.
voting. वहाँ से उनको काफी पैसे आते हैं. तो छोटे टाउन से होगा या सिंधी होगा तो they'll try to get that community angle or the
सिंधी को
town
कोई नहीं
angle.
बना रहा है. They are all rich people. सबके पास पैसा है. किसी का घर नहीं बिका हुआ है. सब अच्छे बैठे हैं.
किसी का
आराम से.
EMI नहीं है.
हाँ, किसी का EMI नहीं है. सिंधी शो का प्रोड्यूसर है.
अरे एग्जाम्पल दिया मैंने यार.
And he's the type of producer जो सेट पे भी नहीं जाता, बस ऑफिस में बैठ के बात चल रहा है सब कुछ. ओके.
कि इतना चाय क्या करना था.
1/2 कर लेते हैं.
हाँ, 1/2
और अच्छा अच्छा.
प्लग देखा आपने?
I think this is the best
The
plug
best.
that we can end the show on. Thank you so much. There are shows, iconic shows, जिनके ऊपर दोबारा टेप्स पे कुछ और रिकॉर्ड कर दिया गया है.
या कुछ आग लगी होगी तो जल गए होंगे.
You know, Kabir Bedi took the, I don't remember, it was I think a Beatles interview or something. The only guy who took an interview of Beatles. Okay, I think it was Beatles if I'm not mistaken. We can check that. Whose interview is taken? Rohit, can you quickly check? Kabir Bedi took a radio interview of somebody. Okay. And it's not there anymore because something was recorded on top of it. Kabir Bedi started as a
वापस
journalist.
उसको-
हाँ.
By the way, MTV का entire archive is gone.
Wow.
Recently, somebody purchased, I think Paramount purchased the entire library and then decided that it was not worth keeping on. And so the entire library of MTV content is gone.
He interviewed the Beatles, Kabir Bedi.
Huh. So the only Indian who interviewed the Beatles were in Delhi, and somehow he was able to reach them. He interviewed them, and that interview is not available anymore.
That's unhinged.
So guys, before we leave, just watch all my YouTube content before it goes away.
Yeah, mine also.
Netflix.
Guys, all our YouTube channels. Please
please
go.
like,
Who knows?
subscribe.
इसके रील्स ऑलरेडी वायरल है. 10
इसको
मिलियन
मत
पे बैठा
छोड़ो,
है.
इसको भी है, इसको मत छोड़ो.
सुमेध शिंदे को देखने की जरूरत नहीं है. ऑलरेडी
They
यू वॉच
jealous
फॉर
है सुमित,
श्योर.
jealous.
हाँ. So वही इसकी रील निकालो. 5 मिलियन, 8 मिलियन, 10 मिलियन, 15. मेरे 5 लाख नहीं हो रहे हैं यार. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you.
एक मिनट कोई नॉक कर रहा था. कट.
कौन? हाँ? अरे यार.
क्या था?
कचरा वाला. So just to give you a context, we are shooting in an apartment in my complex. तो कचरे वाला कचरा लेने आया था. So
अच्छा, हमें नहीं देखा.
That's the saying.